big one here. Nice butt log. Give us well over 300 more feet out of that log, I'm sure. Get that bell whittled down, we'll be making some progress here. Topsaw, you don't have much choice. This is about how we've always done it. People say you waste lumber, but I don't know about that. You scale that log up at the beginning and you scale it at the end, it's all within just a couple more feet. few little knots, but it's been all tight knots. Below 22 inches, then we come straight through. We'll be cutting some nice boards here. Looking for some 18-inch wide pine. You got it. Have to take one board off. Yeah. would have came back about 5 more foot. I can't get out on that knob. Well, I can. I just got. Oh well. We got a fellow coming to the sawdust here. That pine pitch on there though, your gloves last 10 times longer. that's a good log. I'll tell you what, that white pine just don't get no nicer than that. I'm gonna get a load of sawdust out of that bin for this fella here. I'll be back with you. Oh, we got a bunch of it. I said on the other videos, it's all for sale. We've been selling it though. People have been coming for it. We got piles over here and piles over here. Here's what we got done today. My goodness, it was just beautiful. We got boards in here that go 20 inches. Anybody needing wide white pine, I've got some for sale. Oh, we put a good 1,000 foot through here. It's Saturday. You've seen everybody around. Let me turn you around here. I'm over here. Hey, I got to get a couple super thankses in there first off. Dawn Holton, thank you, Dawn, and Chick. Do appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and I try to thank everybody. It's not always on right away on the videos because sometimes we'll be shooting videos in advance. But we got to get a word of the day in too. How about a phrase of the day? Protecting your investment. When you think about it, lumber is an investment when you run a sawmill. You got your money out and buying the logs and getting them on site, and then you have to saw them. I watch other videos and I've seen some mills, they just throw it in a pile and they just run it out in the yard there and stack it wherever they can. Instead of 3, they'll put 2 runners down and just let it sit there. You're degrading your lumber from day one. That lumber sits around for a few weeks or a month or something like that. Especially on white pine, it just mold. Nobody wants 1,000 foot of moldy white pine. But protect your investment. That'd be my advice, and that'd give you something to think about if you do saw lumber. And when you show up at any sawmill to buy lumber, look at how it's stored. Look at did they put a cover on it? Some of them don't even cover it. You got that UV on it, you got rain, you got snow, and then they want you to buy it. So be leery of that. When you're buying lumber, make sure it's been taken care of. And I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That's always greatly appreciated. And I hope you'll join me on the next one. I thank you.